We completed this design and construct project at Maloney's Beach near Bateman's Bay. It is a Class 4 track staircase. It creates safe access up and down a large slope. It connects Maloney's Beach to the 35 km multi-day walking trail, Murrumurrung, New South Wales, Australia. For many years the public have scrambled up and down the slope, which has led to erosion and damage to plant life. This project was extremely challenging considering the soil conditions, the elevation rise of 25 meters and the underfoot working slope of 32 degrees. The delicate landscape has loose loam soil to a depth of about 3 meters in places. This is not ideal for structural footings. Excavators could not be used for safety reasons, so it meant the pier footings had to be installed by hand. We developed a new hand-driven pier system in conjunction with our boardwalk system. It proved the perfect solution for this type of scenario. The pier design adopted has benefits for the environment. There is no significant disturbance to the ground except for a small pipe. Unlike traditional footings that require holes dug in the ground and then filled with concrete. The 128 stair treads comply with the National Construction Code. Stainless steel was the material of choice for the structure for 3 reasons. First, to deliver the best life cycle cost. Second, corrosion resistance due to the ocean proximity of 100 meters. Third, to minimize the repetitive environmental damage caused when the life of a structure has expired and it requires demolishing and a new structure built. This in some instances is every 25 to 50 years. The service life of this staircase is expected to be 400 years. The modular nature of the design makes it very cost-effective and timely to repair if damaged by branches or trees. Less downtime for walking tracks and users. Future additions like viewing platforms, walkways, bridges, handrails or seating are easy add-ons. Thank you for watching the Maloney's Beach Staircase Design and Construct project. It is affectionately known by the installation crew as the Stairway to Heaven.